Lead code number 47. So in this problem, we are given duplicates, uh, duplicates array with duplicates, and we need to find all unique permutation in that order. To solve this problem, I would like to find the frequency of number given a frequency of a number in that array. So one will be two will be one, all of them will be one, one will be one, two will be one, and three will be one, and number length is okay, so it's 8, okay, and the value can be from -10 to 10, okay, and some company are asking it, okay. uh, so yeah, and for each number, what I want to do is keep on appending a frequency or number if it exists there. So let's do this problem. So let's say frequency equals to counter of nums, right? And what I want to do is, let's say result is this, right? Array. And let's create a function called, uh, let's create a function called permute, permute helper of, and let's have a partial, and that should be all actually, partial. And if length of a uh, partial equals to length of nums, right? If the length of my partial and length is same, then what I want to do is result dot append of a list of partial, right? And the return. Otherwise, what I want to do is uh, else for element in frequency, if a frequency of element is greater than zero, then what I want to do is partial dot append of element, actually element frequency of element minus equals to 1, and recurse it again. Okay, permit helper, and then we are passing partial. And after doing this, we will just come back and then add the count added, and then we partial dot pop, right? So we're adding it first, removing the frequency number, uh, calling it again with the partial, and we will go through the element again and adding it after we add it to the array, and we are popping it up, right? So, and let's call this function or mute helper of partial. Let's call this is an empty at first, and then return result, because we are adding our partial to our result. Okay,